Hello and welcome to another episode of Frightfully Forgotten Brews. Today we're going to feature my London After Midnight. It's a London Black Porter, and this one was done with 3.25 kilograms of 2-row, half a kilogram Brown Malt, home roasted too actually.
Well, yeah, that's right, yeah, you did roast all it.
Yeah. Half a pound of Carahell, and half a pound of midnight wheat. And I used 2 ounces of Golding's hops for 60 minutes, and it comes out to about 35 IBUs. And the final gravity showed it should be about 4%, 4.1%.
So it's a light, kind of a light porter.
Yeah, easy drinking porter. And I used Windsor yeast.
Okay.
Too. Yeah.
It is very easy drinking. It's like not thick at all, and
I did that on purpose.
Yeah.
So you don't get too full and don't want to drink anymore.
the midnight wheat helps it not be so thick.
Yeah, because you're not adding both the chocolate and the roasted malt to get the flavor and the color. Yeah, well, the beer kind of came about too. I was thinking about making a porter, and I figured, well, porter's English, and I was like, well, I got some of that midnight wheat lying around, so I was like, London. I looked at the yeast. Yeah. It's like Windsor. Well, it's close to London. Midnight, London After Midnight. So I made the connection. I was like, okay, why not? And it's going to be black, which is perfect too.
Yeah.
So
I was gonna do name a beer London Fog After Midnight.
Oh, okay.
Because I was gonna do a like an Earl Grey type beer. You beat me to it, so now I have to think of a different name.
So there you go. Enjoy.